Hello everybody, Hacker15 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily make a deepfake video. So whatever you're using this for, hopefully it helps you, and enjoy. So the first step you're going to want to do is go to the link in the description under this video, the first one, and it should take you to this Google Colab project. So once you're here, scroll down a little bit. You'll find this box that says add folder and then a link, and that's just your Google Drive. Click that link. That should take you to this folder in your Google Drive. Scroll all the way down, and you'll need to select two files, this one and this one. To do that, you're going to click this one, hold shift, click that one, right click, and make a copy. That should copy them to your Google Drive. Now that those two files have been copied to your Google Drive, what you're going to need to do is right click, new folder, and name it first-order-motion-model. Make sure it's exactly like this or else it will not work. Hit create. Okay, now drag the two files you just copied into that folder. Go into the folder and remove the copy of portions of both of these file names. So now that you've renamed those to the proper names, what you're going to need to do is drag in a 256 pixel by 256 pixel video. To get a 256 by 256 pixel, it's easy to do. You can just export a video in whatever video editor you're using, and just set the export size to 256 by 256. So I'm going to be using this Dame meme video that has been very popular recently. Yeah, so once it's in here, you're going to want to rename it to 04. Mine's already named 04 because I preemptively named that for this video. And then for the image, there's a website. It's called Canva, which I'll be using to size my image. I'll put a link in the description. So once you're here, you want to go to Create Design, Custom Dimensions, 256 by 256, and make sure this is px for pixels. Create New Design. And then once it loads up, click Uploads, upload an image or video, device, and then click on the image you want to deepfake. Okay, so now that that's uploaded, what you're going to want to do is drag this over here, and then size it so that it's it's mainly the face in the frame. So kind of like this. So this is actually perfect right there, perfect. Right there, nice. Okay, so now that you've done that, what you're gonna wanna do is go up here to download. Make sure it says PNG, download it. And just save it to your desktop. So now that that image is downloaded on your desktop, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the folder we made earlier on Google Drive. And we're going to drag in the image we just made on Canva. And so once it's in there, we're going to rename it 04. 02, sorry about that. Okay, so now that we have these four files, we're going to move on to the last step of this tutorial, which is to go back to the Google Colab and kind of go through this process. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click this button right here. Let that run. Then you're going to click this button. Then you're going to click this button. So mine's already mounted because I've been doing this earlier, but what it would have done was there should have been a link right about here. You would have clicked that, clicked on the Google account, that would have been in the top corner right here. Gone down to the bottom, pressed allow, and then copied your the code it would have given you, put it in the text box and pressed enter. So that's what you would have done. Ignore this. Go down to load driving video and source image, click play. Now that that's finished, we're going to go down here. Make sure that the image is on the left and that the video you're using is on the right. Go down again and click play under create model and load checkpoints and let that run. So now that that's done, we're going to go down again under Perform Image Animation and click. Okay, now that that process is finished, you're going to scroll down a little bit and see if you like what it produced. If you do, go these three little dots, click download, allow, save it to your desktop. So now that it's saved to your desktop right here, you're going to open it. Just make sure it kind of processed or /downloaded properly, so which it did. So then we're going to open up a video editor like I have here, Premiere Pro. We're going to drag that in. We're going to drag the deepfake we just made into there. Change sequence settings. And we are going to then size it and scale it so it looks nice. So right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scale it so that mainly the deepfake is the thing that's in the main thing that's on the screen, and that is in the middle. So we're gonna size it like that, just size perfectly. Make sure that's kind of like the same size on all sides, and then boom. So that's first kind of step in that process. And then what you're gonna want to do is drag some black boxes or just black images on it from Google. Just drag it in there and make sure that it kind of cuts up on the side so it looks all nice. That's what I've done with my other deepfakes. Drag that above it, and then what you're gonna want to do. Well, that just did something. Oh, it's the wrong photo. So then what you're gonna want to do is put that in there again. Yes. And then you're going to want to, again, drag it to the side so it cuts off all the white so it looks all nice. And then there you go. So that's the video portion. By the way, for all deepfakes that use this program, always speed it up 150%. Get these two. Shift, click like we did in Google Drive to select them both, put them out like that. And for the audio, I just preemptively downloaded a audio file off YouTube. So that should be working. So then you should be able to have it working like this. I hope you all liked the tutorial. Hopefully it helped you in some way or another, and I guess I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.
Omoriで